We'll guide you through how to make and convert an iPhone video to slow motion after recording. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I've got a video here I want to do it with, so to go and do this, we are going to need an app. That app is called CapCut, so all you want to do is go and open up the App Store, go and search for it, download it and open it up. Click on New Project, you can then select the video and click on Add, and there it is. Now what you need to do is go and find the point where you want to go and start slow motion. In this case, I'm going to go and move the cursor or playback cursor to the point, then select the video, and you want to go and click on split in the bottom left. And then you need to choose where you want the slow motion to go and stop. At that point, I'll go and do it here. So make sure that the playback cursor is placed there, then click on split in the bottom left. Now select the clip you want to go and put into slow-mo that we just went and split off from the rest of it, which is this middle one here for me. And then with it selected, click on speed at the bottom. You can go and click on normal, and then you can go and decrease it. So you can click, hold and drag. I'll go and put it to 0.2 and I'll press the tick. Now you can play it back and you can go and see it just like so. It's that simple. When you're finished, click on export in the top right and it'll then go and be saved. And you can go and find it in your photos.